I received your bottles, 3 bottles, the small one, the middle one, and the big one. Okay, and the spray head, color head for big one, the spray head, color head for the middle one, and the small spray head, and there's color head for the small one. Okay, I have tested the diameter of the spray head already. We need to use 17 crimping head. Okay, but for a small bottle, this one is for 15 crimping head. But since I don't have the 15 crimping head, I will test for the 17 crimping head first. Okay, so I just put the small one beside of the bottles. How to adjust the spray head? Okay, because the spray head need to be fitted with the crimping head. You can see now the edge of the spray head is a little bit higher than the crimping head, the edge of crimping head. So we need to adjust to let the spray head a little bit lower than the edge of the crimping head. So how to adjust it? First, need to remove the screw inside of the crimping head. Okay. Let's remove this one. Okay. And then use a screw to adjust inside. And same time you put the spray head inside and adjust it. Okay. Okay, to adjust the spray head lower than the edge of the crimping head. 1 ml is enough. Okay, so now it's good. Then install this one back. Okay, move on this one and install the crimping head to the machine. Okay, then put your bottle and adjust the correct position for your bottle. So we need to move this one first. Okay, and adjust here this part. Okay, so this one will be correct position and fix it. Okay, fix it. Okay. Test several times. Make sure the bottle is under the correct position. Okay, then fix the position of the limiter, bottle limiter. Okay, other side. Okay. So next time, every time you put bottles, you know where to put. Okay. Okay. Since this is not round bottle, so the millimeter you might put the wrong position. So what we could do is just put your spray head and put the crimping head put the spray head inside the crimping head first, then push. Okay. Okay, you can check. Okay, let me just get closer. Okay, let me try the big one. For the big one, so we need to adjust the position again. Adjust the millimeter. Release this one. Okay, push and fix it. Okay, release it. Okay, so fix the millimeter. Okay, then put your spray head into the bottle and put the spray head inside first and press. Okay. Let's take a closer check. Okay. Close one. Okay, no nicking. And spray head. Okay. The bigger one. Okay, all good. Okay, let's install the color head for those two bottles. Okay, so first to remove the crimping head. And install the color mode. Okay, adjust position for bottles. Okay, push and fix it. And put your color head. Put your color head and push. Okay, then another one. Adjust. Machine first. Fix it. Okay. Adjust the emitter. check. The big one, color head. Okay. Small one, color head. Okay. Perfect. Small one. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. We're Topcn Machinery. This is Ken. Okay, thank you.